Well, this was a bad idea in the 80s, and it continues to be a bad idea.
And we've got about a dozen of those in the ceiling in the family room.
We do. What we have here in the dining room, though, is this 7 3/4 aperture recessed light.
Right.
But it's not what the homeowner wants. They want this 5-inch recessed light.
So they want to go smaller. And if we want to go from 7 to 5, can we do it by just switching out the trim?
No, you could change the trim, but it's still going to be the same 7 3/4 aperture.
So how do we get smaller?
Well, it's real simple. In a new location, we take a remodel housing, we cut a hole, we slide it up into the ceiling, all set.
Okay.
The problem is the designer wants us to put a new recessed light into an existing location.
So this used to be right there. How do we go smaller?
Well, what we do is we actually cut this sheetrock out and we take out the old housing, which is a little more involved.
Take that, big piece of plaster. And the old housing that you guys have already cut the wires on. So that goes away.
All right, Kevin, so now with this big hole in the ceiling, we cannot use this remodel because there's no way to attach it. So that means we have to use this new work application, which has expandable arms, which will attach to the joist here.
Okay.
And once we put the trim in, the ceiling's done, it's going to look like this.
Oh yeah, and that's exactly what the homeowners are hoping for. A much better look.
It is a big improvement.
All right, thanks guys.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.